Hey Afro Beauties, my name is Maya Galore. I'm a beauty influencer and content creator, and today we are going to be creating this beautiful look using the new liquid blushes as well as the bronzer and blush duos. I am going to show you guys how to use the products, how to layer them, how to apply them, but first we're going to do a quick little rundown of all of the products. Make sure that you do hit subscribe on the Ofra YouTube channel, and let's hop right into it. So we have three different blushers, and this is a combination of a blush and a bronzer. First we have Crew, this one is Unit, and this last one is in Squad, which is my shade. And these retail for $29. Next we have the liquid blushes. This first one is in the shade Truly. The next one is in the shade Loyal. And then this one is in Authentic. And these are all such beautiful colors, and they are perfect for any skin tone. So no matter what your skin tone is, you can find your perfect liquid blush. You also can buy these in duo sets. So you can get the Crew Duo with the Authentic liquid blush. Then you can get the Unit Compact with the Loyal liquid blush. Or you can get Squad with the Truly liquid blush. And the duo sets with both products together does retail for $35. You also can get the full PR box, meaning everything I just showed you, for $99. So let's go ahead and hop into this tutorial so that I can show you guys these products up close and personal. So first we're gonna do the liquid blushes, but before we do, we're gonna do a quick little face. So I'm gonna put on my primer, which is my Rays of Light primer, and then on top of that, we are going to go in with the Absolute Cover Foundation, and this is in the number 8. And I'm also going to sculpt out the face with the Signature Contour Palette. And now we are ready to try this liquid blush. For me, I love to wear a full face of makeup and use liquid blush. I feel like when you use that over your cream products before you go in with powder and everything, that it really brings out that natural glow from within look. And the thing that I love about these the most also is that you don't have to put it on top of product. You can use it just on your bare skin as well if you just need a flush of color for the day. So the shade that I'm gonna be using is Truly. There are two different ways that you can use this product. You can put it directly on the cheeks, or you can put it on your hand and then slowly build it up on the cheeks. So on this side, I'm gonna put it directly. Then I'm gonna take a brush and just start to move it around. So if you know you want a nice amount of color, I feel like that's the perfect application, because you see this side versus this side with nothing on it. This side just looks like, you know, just like that natural flush of color coming from within. On the other side, I'm going to actually take the color and put it on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna dip into that color on my hand and start to build up the color on the cheeks. Now, like I said, I feel like this way of applying is better when you want to build it up. If you know you want the pigment, definitely put it directly on the face and blend it out. If you are looking to build up the color to see how much you want and to achieve the blush shade you want, then definitely put it on your hand or put it on a mixing surface and then build it up. So this is how we're looking. This is how it looks right on top of the other products before we set the face. It's a very natural type of feel, and I am loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with powder and get everything nice and mattified so we can dip into our blush and bronzer duos. So now we're gonna play with the new Blushzers. It is a combination of a blush and a bronzer in a duo compact. And the duo compact that I'm gonna be using is called Squad, and this is what she looks like. One thing I love about this is you can combine these two to get a very bronze blush look all the way around the perimeter of the face. So if I dip into both of these and I start to bronze, you will see a combination of the blush and the bronzer. And I love that because it just makes you look nice and rosy and natural, and that is bomb. But you also can use them separately. So if I dip just into the bronzer, then I can get more of that bronzy tone to bronze the outside perimeter of the face and to just bring those natural shades into the face. Then I'm gonna take the same brush that I used and add a little bit more pigment to the cheeks. So these duos do add a little bit more of intensity to your look, and they also can be put over bare skin as well, just like the liquid blush. You can see the differences on both sides. This side you have more of a faint liquid type of formula coming through on the cheeks. It's a lot more naturally coming from within type of blush shade. Versus this side, we're a little bit more sculpted. We have a bronzer. We brought in some more deeper tones of the skin, as well as emphasize that blush shade a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. We're gonna bronze it up and then also add a little bit more blush. Like I said before, the main thing that I love about these products alike is that you can use it on your bare skin as well as with a full face of makeup. Therefore, you can go for more of a natural glowy look if you don't have any other product on, or it can enhance your full face of makeup that you already do. There's also so many ways that you can use these products as well. So if you wanted to use this on the eyes, you can do that just to bring continuity into the face from the cheeks and the bronzer to the eyes. I love products that you can use for multiple things and that have multiple purposes, as this has a bronzer and a blush. I'm also going to use the bronzer as a nose contour as well. So I'm just going to dust around my nose with the bronzer shade just to bring more definition into my nose. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face. I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter and a lip to finish this off, and we're going to wrap this up. So this is our finished look using the liquid blush as well as the blush and bronzer duos. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that you like this look. If you like this video, make sure that you give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Oprah YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.